Where is the lace? Huh? And don't even try me, Brenda. Okay, don't even try me because I know you can't see it. Ooh, I'm a little parched. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHERHAIR. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now, as always, before we get into this install and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Something to buy, yeah. Set the potato, boy, sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside. Where everybody knows your name, everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Separate again. Sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life, sweet life, sweet life. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm. I never wanna go home.
Okay, listen. Hairline, where art thou? Hairline, you hear me? So like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGHERHAIR. This is their HD Lace Clean Bleach Hairline Body Wave unit. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out down below, you definitely can. This unit from 𝐻𝐸 is hitting, okay? Out the box, she was pretty much ready to go. It even comes pre-washed, if I'm not mistaken, because it didn't have that chemical smell. It actually smelled pretty good. I think they're trying to step into that ready-made wig, and listen, I'm here for it. So I did not go in and wash my unit. However, I did spray her down with some dry shampoo. This unit is definitely fitting more big head associated than big head friendly. You guys know my head is 23 inches on a bad day, okay? Big head gang, we are. So if you want to do my little trick like I did and leave your sideburns out, you can definitely do that and then blend it into your lace. Since this lace is blendable, okay, you can definitely blend in your natural hairline with this wig. It's a body wave texture, so nothing crazy. You can definitely rock this unit straight or put some curls in it like I did to give you that body wave texture. Now, I didn't get no shedding or tangling, but you know I didn't wash the unit, so you may or may not get shedding or tangling out the pack when you go in to wash yours. But for me and my wig, we got all the bundles. Y'all saw the install, okay? Something slight. I just did 8 pin curls in this unit, let her sit for about an hour, and that was it. I don't have anything negative to say. I mean, that hairline, y'all, that hairline is hairline, and you hear me? Let me come on close so you guys can see this. This is me, okay? This is my scalp. I don't care what nobody say. This is all me today. Let me put my glasses on so I can see what y'all seeing, because I want to make sure that I'm in focus. Wait, Cindy Lou, wait a minute. Get, where you at? Where you at? There you are. Wait a minute, where's she at? Because she about to make me catch a case. I can't. I can't. Let me come even closer. Hold up. Listen, even closer. Hello, y'all, scalp. Where is the lace? Huh? Where's the lace? And don't even try me, Brenda. Okay, don't even try me because I know you can't see it. Wait a minute. Y'all, she look good. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute now. Okay. I'm just doing it so y'all can see my hairline. She is a look. I'm here for this. And I'm pretty sure they sent me, where's she at? And they even sent me their like their different laces. They have the regular lace, the brown Swiss lace, and then they have the HD lace. So let me show you guys what that looks like on my skin tone. Come on, get out the pack, get out the pack. So this is the regular lace on me, okay? So regular lace, not bad, okay? It's not horrible. It's blendable. So if you do have the wig with the regular lace, you can definitely blend it. Then we have the brown Swiss lace. It's a little bit thinner, okay? Has that brown tint to it. So again, another blendable option. And then we have that HD joint, okay? Then this is what that HD lace is looking like on me. I can already tell without my glasses on that this blends more than the other laces with my skin tone. This is Swiss lace, this is HD. Y'all see that? Y'all see the difference? You can already tell this one's gonna blend a lot better. And what I can tell from the difference is, one, the texture of the laces. Swiss lace is a lot softer than HD lace, and the HD lace grids are a lot bigger, I think, which I didn't really understand initially. I don't know if this is correct or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and say it anyway. I feel like the bigger the grids, it's kind of, how do I explain this? On the Swiss lace, there are smaller grids. So you can see that when you start to add that product, even though it does melt in, you can still see those, you know, that lace grid across your hairline. I feel like with the HD lace, because the grid's a little bit bigger, you have more space to cover with the adhesive and your melting products, so you don't have to worry about as many grids showing because they're more spaced out.
Emotional damage.
Does that make sense? I don't know. It's in my brain the way I want to say it, but it's not translating for you guys the way I wanted to, but I hope that it makes more sense. I'm about to give myself a headache explaining that. Goodness gracious. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to OMGHERHAIR for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I'll put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.